Hi everyone, buongiorno tutti, bonjour tout le monde, mahaba namaste, hello, how are you trader today? This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. In today's video, I'd like to share with you some planetary aspects which you might use in trading. I give you some examples and give you some technical details showing how you should do based on my experience. So let's start the rock and roll. First things first, thanks very much for your comments. It really helps me. You ask so many questions. I will go further. We'll discuss with some of your questions later. First of all, Euro USD 4-hour chart. At the moment, we are at the small correction. We'll see what's gonna happen. Market is not ready yet to stop and to reverse, because as you know, reversal takes time and time has to meet price, and as far as I know, it doesn't at the moment. We will see. Okay, what happened yesterday? Today is 28th of July 2020, and I made yesterday my video about gold, my point of view on gold market. And when I was recording my video yesterday, the price was at the level 1930 and something. Today, just after midnight, the price broke this next line, the line of 6, as you remember from my previous video, found the resistance here and starting made a correction, as you see. But what this shows, in my opinion, it shows there is a strong pressure still here, a buying pressure. We'll see. Probably, as I told you, the market will go probably higher. Well, Elena, you asked me about silver. With silver is slightly different story than with the gold. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's what I want to talk to you today. When did it happen, this funny double pin? When did it happen? It's strange. It looks like, well, for me it's just big guys getting into the market and trying to get all the stops out. That's how it looks like. The market doesn't know what to do at the moment. It looks when you watch it from outside. But this pin shows that both stops from this side and from this side have been cleared out, or there is strong supply here over the area of 24, and still big demand of speculative investors, the speculators. So we'll see. With silver, basically is different story, for the simple reason that silver is a metal widely used in industry, in electronic industry, and with automatics and so on. So there is a big demand, and now depends on the situation on global market. The price of silver will grow or will fall. At the moment, I'm not sure what's going to happen with silver, but it seems to me that this USA-China war will slow down the global economy, and probably the silver demand will slow down. This is my private opinion. Don't consider it as an investment advice. Just in the long term, I'm not saying it's gonna happen today or tomorrow, but basically, if nothing gets changed, probably the world's demand for products containing silver will slow down and finally will fall. We got coronavirus. Don't forget it. In the United States, it's madness what's happening. It will have impact on economy, and for sure, silver will suffer as well. Gold is different story. Gold is an investment metal. So, and if you buy gold, or anyway, if you buy gold, you don't buy metal. You just buy a piece of paper. Someone noted that you owe such amount of ounces of gold. That's it. So it's got nothing to do with the real bars of gold at the moment. Okay, let's go. What I wanted to talk with you today is just let me show you. I want to show you something which happens in astrology. If you use, oh, I hate this word, astrology. All right, let's say astrology. Astronomical events on the sky. Let's look into the stars. I show the example of a couple of events which happened in the past and want to show you how to interpret them on the chart. First of all is a conjunction of Mercury and Mars. Those two small babes over here. This is Mercury, this is Mars. And the conjunction took place on June 19, I think. Was it June 19? Yes, it was, or June 18, 2019. Let me show you. I will approach slowly, day by day, those two planets. They are approaching, as you see over here. There is another, its formation is just opposition with Saturn. First one, Mars formed opposition with Saturn. Then Mercury is approaching, and the conjunction, look, this lovely trine, they made trine with Neptune as well. So it's quite a lot of astronomical events happening, and it's really difficult to find out which one to get to find an eventual turning reversal point. But what I would recommend you, if you're a swing trader for shorter term, the swings occur with faster planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars. And their aspects. So we are at the moment, what date is? It's June 17th. Mercury is 109 and Mars is 110. So one day left, I think, till full conjunction. Bam! It's this one. 111 Mercury, 111 Mars. So the planets are in conjunction, and at the same time they made an opposition with Pluto, which is not that important, but it might be taken in consideration. As far as I remember, was it Henry W. Steele when he was interpreting the tunnel through the air and the story of Robert Gordon, who was trying to build up a bicycle which you can use on the water? Probably Henry W. Steele interpreted the bicycle as two planets together. If you haven't watched the videos of Henry W. Steele, just find them on YouTube. It's worth watching. Very good interpretations of the tunnel through the air, and the guy has enormous knowledge about W.D. Gunn and all these aspects and so on. Well, so let's go back to the subject. So we got, it's 18th of June. We got a conjunction, 111 and 111. Both planets are conjuncted exactly. As I told you in one of my previous videos, usually the trend change or reversal occurs when the conjunction is over. That's what I realized. So we might say next day in the case of fast-moving planets. So I move it a step further, one day further, from June 18 to 19, bam. So already Mercury is 112, Mars is 111. So the conjunction is over. And look here. That's 18th of June 2019, and this is 19th. So this was the conjunction date. And the next day, this movement started. It's Euro USD daily, so I keep it on daily. This movement took a couple of pips over here. It's from the bottom to the top is 200 pips, yeah? So that's the first case I wanted to show you. Another one. Let's go here and find another date I would like to show you. Is April 15, 2019. So let's go back to April 15. Let's go back to April 12. Look what's happening here. It's madness. It's unbelievable. It's so many aspects. We got sextile of Neptune with Saturn with Pluto. We got a square of Mercury with Jupiter. We got a square of the Sun with Saturn and with Pluto. This orb is 3 degrees. That's the reason why it shows. And this, all these aspects. Another one, yeah. So it's quite many of them. But as I told you, we usually, when you're a swing trader, you should take into account the fast-moving planets. So here, the conjunction of Venus and Mercury appears. This is one. And as well, the trine between the Sun, which starts here. You see this green line. Maybe it's not very visible on your screen, but I'll show you as I move. We are on April 12th. So I move further. This is a clear trine over here. We go further, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. On 17th April, this trine starts disappearing. So once again, it started from the date of 12th of April and started and disappeared on 18. Let me show you now on the screen. Here on the chart. So here we go. Here is 12, the date of 12, when started this trine of the Sun and Jupiter. Next date is 15. So this was Friday and this is Monday. And let's have a look. So we got on 17th, it started disappearing. So it's 15th, 16th, and 17th. 17th is this one. Let's move this line here. All right. So, okay. And now this trine disappears exactly on 18th of April. So let me show you. 18th of April is this candle. This one is 18th of April. And this trine disappeared. Look here, 18, boom. And another event you might have not realized. In the meantime, Mercury on 17th just went into the Aries, which is important zodiac sign. Maybe you don't know that we got 4 cardinal signs, which is Aries. The next one is Cancer. The next one is Libra. And the last one is Capricorn. So they are cardinal signs. So disappeared on 18, disappeared this trine of the Sun. The Sun also is approaching the Taurus. And Mercury had ingress into the Aries 18th, and on 18th happened this one, this long candle. This is the first thing, but all the move took again 170 pips. On the US dollar is quite a lot, because before the last trend before this one, it took much less, about 100 pips, and lasted 2.5 weeks. So, as you see, when the aspect appears, don't rush, observe the market, and usually when the aspect disappears, then the movement, the direction is determined. And the last one, which I wanted to show you, is on September 13th, the same date, is another conjunction. Let me show you. September, let's stop here. Look what's happening here. That's what I wanted to show you. You open Astrological, whatever software you got, and you got so many aspects here that you don't know what to do. Because Mars is approaching the Sun, it looks like. It would be a conjunction. Mercury approaches Venus, and I'll show you on the chart what's happening. Let's start once again. Let's start from 9th of September 2019. Okay, 9th of September. Oh, I started from 12. So 9 is this one, 10, 9. Look what happened from 9th of September. All those moves happened till when the market was determined on 18th of September. Look how long. Let's go. We start from 9. It is 10, 11, 12. 12, we got Mercury, Venus. On 13, we got that conjunction. Where is 13? Wait, 12. This one is 13. So we got the conjunction. We got it marked that it might be a market turn. And let's see what's happened further. Then, Next day, September 14, the market fallen, but this conjunction is nearly over. The market has fallen from this candle, so here's 13, here was the conjunction. The market has fallen and passed to the zodiac of Libra, both planets. So next day on 15, investors considered there is a new trend, and they made a candle of 75 pips again. And then when this conjunction was over definitely, you see, you got 183 is Mercury, Venus is 182, is over 1 degree, conjunction is over on that date once again, September 16th, which is this one, September 16, sorry, was this one. So conjunction is over, and the market from here should go straight down, but we still got a couple of issues over here till the market reached, because investors were prepared for 23rd of September already. They anticipated the movement. That move, 23rd is here, as you see. Those who maybe use these dates try to push the market higher, but the market still, based on this conjunction, which started, all those astronomical events started already somewhere here. It took quite a lot of time from, was it 5th of September till 18th of September, till the market decided where to go. But the conjunction itself was on the spot, but a lot of movements till the situation has been cleared out. I don't know if you got what I wanted to say. I just want to say that you cannot apply astrological events, aspects straight away. You have to take into the consideration the orb, the other aspects which appear in the meantime, and basically it's not a method to be used 100%. It's much better method to use one single planet moving in concordance with the price, or making square to the price on square of 9. You can count it very easily, and it's much better. But if you use conjunctions, squares and trines, it also works. Every method works, only you have to apply proper money management and take care of your money. Don't lose them in one single go, because you wouldn't become a millionaire in one night. It's pretty difficult, only if you are multimillionaire. So in one night you can lose most and remain with 1 million. That is from me for today. Sorry I was so boring you for this long time.